Hey guys, welcome back to the DIY mods and stuff channel. Today's video is going to be very quick. So it's going to be regarding this device right here, the KEURIG 2.0. Now KEURIG 2.0 meant that you had to buy their specific branded pods. I believe that they would say KEURIG right here on the border 2.0, and it would be it's a lavender color. Otherwise, if you try to use the old pods on this, it won't work. So companies started coming out making these reusable, it says 1.0 and 2.0 compatible. And then you have the Carafe. This one has seen better days. It says KEURIG 2.0 compatible. Now what I came to realize is that this one has this little dot here, this little tab, which is, yeah, I've seen better days. It's a purple, kind of lavenderish tab. And what happens is, inside the device itself, somewhere in here, there's a sensor. I don't know if you can see it in there. There's a sensor right around here. And that sensor, this is it right here, see? That, I think, picks up on the color. See this lavender centerpiece there, lavender, and this is actually kind of like a lavenderish. So when this broke, I went back and I purchased this one, hoping that it would work. And sure enough, just for demonstration purposes only, sure enough, you put it in there, voila, and it works. And you can select if you want the Carafe or whatnot. So that works. Sometimes it says it's not compatible, as you're about to see, and I'm going to show you how to get around that without having to do anything crazy. This is the one that I've been using. This is per cup. As you can see, it's, but what happens is sometimes when you put it in, you'll get this message which says, oops, this wasn't designed for this brewer, contact, blah, 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 whatever. So I said to myself, this is 2.0, how compatible? So I said, you know what, let me try something. I looked at it, it seemed like it was aligned. So what I did was, I kind of maybe wiggled it a little bit, you know, like try to like maybe position it differently. And there you go. Let me move it away a little bit. So another thing that you can try if you get this message is you go into that sensor in there and you clean it. You clean that sensor somehow. You know, I usually rub it with my finger. I'll put my finger in there and I'll rub it. Watch out not to touch these edges. They're very sharp. And I clean it. And that seems to do the trick. So if you guys have purchased this, I think this is like $3 or $4 in Walmart and Target. Walmart is cheaper actually, maybe cheaper online on Amazon. They're not sponsoring this video, nor is KEURIG. I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. And if you're having the same issue, you can just see if it works. But if you know, I guess it depends. It has to be aligned. Otherwise, if it's misaligned, you're gonna get that message. And you just like move it a little, and there you go. So hopefully this helps someone out there. This is what the channel is for: mods, tricks, hacks. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.